So we've been getting a lot of people requesting kind of a tutorial on how to fill out, access, complete the preferred name change form on IUP's website. Now, there is a way to get to it on the IUP website itself, but most people, if you're a student at least, will go through their My IUP. And we've gotten this request from mostly students, so we're going to show you that way. So you're going to first log on to your My IUP. And then under these tabs over on the side, you're going to go down to personal info. And then under the personal information box, it's the very last bullet point for name changes. We have preferred name change and a legal name change. Most of you are after a preferred name change. Of course, like unless you've changed your name legally, you're going to want the preferred name change. So we'll click on that and it'll take you to the site on the IUP website. It has a bunch of information on the preferred first name policy, what it does, where it can be changed across IUP. And also it'll tell you where it won't change, so there's no worries whenever, say your form does get approved, but my legal name is still on my transcript. It says here that legal names will continue to be used on these things. So we have three different ways to fill out a preferred first name form for different people. So we have one for employees, for students, and for alumni. The majority of you are students, so you'll just click preferred first name request online form for students. So here we have the preferred first name request student form. So, and if you're logged in with your My IUP, which is why it's good to be logged in to your My IUP to go through the I-forms, you'll just type in your requested preferred first name, and then you'll put in your phone number, and then you have to check to agree to the disclaimer policy. And then all you do is you'll hit save, and then the form is submitted. It's done. It's out of your hands. And that's really all that you have to do. I'm not going to fill it out just because I've already done this form before, so I don't need to fill it out, but that's all you'll have to do. And then eventually, roughly, it depends on, if university is in session right now or if they're getting a lot of forms in. The time varies, but relatively quickly, your name should be updated. And that's how you do the student preferred first name form.